Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the market site in Times Square, we have Rob Barnett. He's the Group Vice President and Head of Retirement Distribution over at Wilmington Trust, and we're going to take a look at CIT transparency. Rob, it's great to have you with us in the studio. And Wilmington, you recently announced a partnership with AllianceBernstein to offer collective investment trust, CITs. Tell us more about that partnership.
Sure. Thanks for having me, by the way.
Got it.
Appreciate it. So today we announced a partnership with AllianceBernstein, where we'll be bringing AllianceBernstein's best strategies to the collective investment trust market. So we're partnering AllianceBernstein's great asset management capabilities with our great back office and middle office capabilities to bring their investments to the middle or to the retirement plan market space.
All right, let's learn more about collective investment trusts. Why are they important for investors?
So collective investment trusts have been around for a long time. They've actually been around since the 1930s. They're a tax-qualified investment vehicle, only available to qualified retirement plans. And what they do is offer a lower-cost vehicle for the same strategy to retirement plan investors. So it's really the same investment, but just at a lower expense due to certain scale requirements through the vehicle. So it allows for a easier access point for retirement plans.
All right, let's talk about the Main Street investor. How could CITs improve their visibility and gain greater access?
Sure. So with collective investment trusts, because they're only eligible to qualified retirement plans, information on them isn't readily available. So we're partnering. In 2015, we partnered with Morningstar, and Morningstar actually takes our data and pushes it out through various databases, so plan participants can access their information in collective investment trusts. Now, in the next month or so, our funds will have tickers, so participants will be able to go on Google, type in their ticker, and pull down information on their funds, so it'll make it easier for them to access the information and make it more transparent to them.
All right, now this partnership with AllianceBernstein, how is that going to shape the CIT industry?
Well, this is just a continued evolution, right? So AllianceBernstein did have collective investment trust before this. This is just another step for them in this market. It's a bigger step for them. It allows them to improve onboarding. It allows them to improve efficiencies in terms of speed to market. So this will, take AllianceBernstein to the next step. But it's a step that a lot of other asset managers have taken and continue to look at taking.
All right, Rob, thank you so much for joining us at MarketSite.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining me on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.